In this lesson, we're going to explore the Style Transfer Neural Filter in Photoshop, one of the most creative AI-powered filters that lets you apply an artistic style from a painting, illustration, photography style, or your own custom image onto your photo in just a few clicks. Whether you're turning a portrait into a Van Gogh-style artwork or giving your image a graphic, poster-like effect, this filter opens up a world of possibilities. In practical terms, you pick a photo you want to transform, open the filter, select a style or upload one, adjust how strong it is, and output the result. In the Style Transfer tool, you'll find two main sections, Presets and Custom. In the Custom section, you can upload your own image to apply its unique style to your photo. Now, let's talk about the Presets section. The Presets section is divided into two categories, Artist Styles and Image Styles. You'll see a grid of thumbnails, some inspired by famous painters, and others featuring more graphic or abstract looks. Each style tells a story, so choose one that matches the emotion or mood of your photo. When you use Style Transfer for the first time in Photoshop, you'll need to download some of these styles. For example, in the Image Styles category, if you see a small download icon on a thumbnail, it means that particular style needs to be downloaded. You can either download all styles or simply click on the one you want and Photoshop will automatically download it for you. Now, in the Artist Styles section, let's apply one of these styles and see how it works. Once the style is applied, you'll find several important controls. Let's go through them one by one. Style Strength controls how strongly the style is applied to your image. Let me show you before and after. Style Opacity. Adjust the visibility or intensity of the applied style. Detail controls how fine or textured the brush and patterns appear. Background Blur adds a blur to the background for a softer depth effect. Brightness increases or decreases the overall brightness of your image. Saturation controls the color intensity, making your image more vivid or more muted. Preserve Color keeps the original colors of your target image or lets the style override them. If you check this, you retain your photo's color palette more. Now, take a look at the before and after. You can see how beautifully the style transforms the photo. Remember, small adjustments often give the best results. Play around with different styles, tweak the strength, and you'll discover endless creative possibilities. Let's go ahead and reset the style and try another one. Adjust the sliders to fine-tune the result. And again, check the before and after. And once you're satisfied, set the output to New Layer. And click OK. And again, check the before and after. Now, let's move on to the Image Style section. Choose this style. And you'll see how the photo instantly takes on that artistic look. And again, check the before and after. Adjust the sliders again until you're happy with the result. Let's go ahead and reset the style and try another one. And again, check the before and after. Adjust the sliders again until you're happy with the result. And again, check the before and after. And once you're satisfied, set the output to New Layer and click OK. So, in short, the artist style image is the heart of the style transfer filter. It defines the brushwork, the color scheme, and the overall artistic feel that Photoshop applies to your picture. You can use the built-in artist presets inspired by great painters or upload your own unique style image to create one-of-a-kind results. And always remember, subtlety brings the most elegant outcomes. Experiment with different styles, adjust the strength, and explore the creative freedom that style transfer offers.